an inside look at electronics learning, research and innovation at DAU.
When I explained to you that our students actually do a design from basics to ASICs, we actually take it in the third semester. The students design a CPU or the processing unit of a computer. This is a computer, as you can see, and then these are the black things are the logic components, or we call it discrete components. That is where the basics come into picture, and the white ones are called the breadboards. The students put these things, these components into the breadboards and connect them. As you can see, that it's quite messy, but then at the end of the semester they actually create, they test it. It's quite complicated, then they test it. It's a full-fledged computer. You can have instructions just like the computers that we use it inside our mobile phones or computers. This is a bigger version of it, but as you can see, that is not usable. The students then move on to doing that in the same semester. The students then move on to doing a PCB or printed circuit board, which is quite clean. You can see that the connections are not messy, but you have to use a software or EDA sort of thing. It's called electronic design automation, where it's laid out very nicely. The same components here with automated connections. The connections are not messy. Okay, and the form factor is also reduced here, or the size is reduced here. Now it's the same computer, the CPU, but then the student move on to, after doing this exercise, student move on to a fourth semester. They actually design a computer chip, or which is called, we call it integrated circuits or application specific integrated circuits, and using transistors. The transistors are very small devices which are around micrometer in dimensions, 10 to the power minus 6, or width of the hair. I mean, very, very small dimensions. There they design something which comes out as this type of chip. The whole thing that we have discussed, it has come in this form factor. Okay, and then to make it usable, actually you have to package it or connect it, all these things in this format. And to make it usable, I think this is again a PCB which has connected, and these are accessible points where you can test it. All the things are same. You can see that from this, the students start from basics and to creating the integrated circuits.